5 interesting facts about the human body that may be surprising. The human body is an intricate piece of machinery. With the billions of cells in the body, it's amazing that we function properly at all. The human body has some amazing tricks up its sleeve, including the ability to repair itself and take in more oxygen than is possible through the lungs. Some of these facts are not commonly known by the general public, but there are some basic facts that people should know about their bodies. Every day, we take for granted the amazing bodies that we have. Humans have a unique blend of abilities and characteristics that distinguish them from other creatures. Before we get started, be sure to hit the like button. Also, to stay up to date with my latest videos, make sure to click the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of this video. Here are 5 interesting facts about the human body that may be surprising. 1. It took 2.3 million years for the average human to evolve. Evolutionary biologist E.O. Wilson wrote, "We're all deeply involved in the most spectacular of all journeys, from the simplest organisms on the planet to the greatest technological and cultural achievements of all." That means we're all essentially on a one-way trip to becoming posthuman. We're all getting closer and closer to becoming posthuman. But it took 2.3 million years for us to evolve. Our bodies are evolving rapidly now, but it took thousands of years for us to get here. That's the reason it's so hard to answer some of the questions we ask of ourselves, like how did I become this big, strong, smart, and healthy person? Because we can't really answer it yet. 2. The cells of the human body are constantly changing. What goes on inside our bodies is one of the most complex, most fascinating, most wonderful processes in the world. Our bodies are made up of billions of cells, which together make up our bodies. These cells are constantly changing as our bodies adapt to new situations, respond to environmental changes, or adjust to injuries or disease. They grow and die, transform into other types of cells, and migrate around the body. In many ways, our bodies are alive and constantly changing. 3. The human brain is the most complex organ in the body. Most of us have a mental image of the brain that doesn't match up with what scientists actually know about it. Our brains have between 100 billion and 200 billion nerve cells. These nerve cells come in many different shapes and sizes. The different types of nerve cells are the brain's wiring, and they do a lot of the important work of our brains. 4. We are capable of being creative. Creativity has always been an important part of human life, and a creative mind has been linked to a creative brain. Our brains are capable of processing huge amounts of information, so a creative mind has the potential to produce new ideas, new theories, and new ways of seeing the world. There are many things we do to help us get in touch with our creative sides, such as reading, writing, dancing, listening to music, exercising, playing sports, and having fun. 5. The human brain is capable of great thought. The human brain is capable of great thought. Even if we think something is impossible, our brains can always make it possible. The human brain has the ability to invent new ideas and then test them. Our brains are great at pattern recognition, so it's not too difficult for our brains to recognize patterns in new situations. If we think something is impossible, our brains can always make it possible. These are just a few facts about the human body. We could probably go on for days with facts about the human body. But in the end, we have to remember that all of this is just a small part of our amazing bodies. And while the human body is incredible, it's only part of the world we live in. There's a lot more to the world, and there are a lot more amazing things we can do with our bodies. Let us know in the comments what other facts about the human body you think we should add to this list. Thank you for watching.